Ever pondered over the roots of your beliefs, the origin of your understanding of the divine? It's a thought that can lead one down a rabbit hole of introspection and discovery. Today we delve into the depths of such a journey, exploring the unique aspects of Islam and how it compares to other major religions. Consider for a moment the concept of monotheism, the belief in one God. This is a central tenet not just in Islam, but also in Christianity and Judaism, yet Islam sets itself apart with its uncompromising stand on monotheism. In Islam, God or Allah, as referred to in Arabic, is not just one among many or part of a trinity. He is the one, the absolute, the eternal, free from human limitations or needs. Now, cast a glance towards the figure of the Prophet. Prophets are revered across many religions, yet their roles and statuses vary. In Christianity, Jesus is considered the Son of God, while in Islam, Jesus or Isa is highly respected as a prophet and messenger of Allah, not divine but divinely inspired. This underlines another unique facet of Islam, the clear distinction between the creator and the created. In the realm of religious texts, the Quran, the holy book of Islam, holds a unique position. Unlike the Bible or the Torah, which are believed by their respective followers to be inspired by God, the Quran is believed to be the direct word of Allah, revealed to Prophet Muhammad over a span of 23 years. This gives the Quran a unique status as a direct link between the believer and the divine. Consider also the concept of comprehensive guidance. While all religions provide a moral and ethical framework, Islam goes a step further. It offers a complete way of life, covering all aspects from personal hygiene to social justice, from family life to international relations. It's a holistic approach that seamlessly integrates faith with everyday life. Islam, like other religions, promotes virtues such as compassion, honesty, and humility. However, it is unique in its emphasis on balance and moderation. It discourages excess, even in matters of worship or charity, promoting instead a balanced approach to life. Ponder over these unique aspects of Islam. This is not a call for conversion, but an invitation to enrich your understanding, to view Islam not as an other, but as a fascinating part of the diverse tapestry of human religious experience. Remember, knowledge dispels misunderstanding, so immerse yourself in the teachings of Islam, compare it, contrast it, question it. You may find common ground or you may discover new perspectives. Either way, the journey promises to be enlightening. Take a step, embark on this journey of exploration and introspection, because as the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And who knows where this journey might lead you. After all, it's never too late to accept the truth, and it's never too late to understand Islam.
وأمطرها من الرحمات نور وأمطرها من الرحمات نور فللقرآن فلنبذل ونسعى فغيث الفضل هتان غزير نعيم في الحياة ومكرمات وفي الأخرى إلى الخلد المصير وفي الأخرى إلى الخلد المصير كتاب الله للأرواح نور تنال به السعادة والسرور إلى درب الهدى والخير يهدي وللجنات يوصل من يسير كتاب الله للأرواح نور